Nike Ja 3 Light Show is already making waves ahead of Ja Morant's upcoming Asia Tour, where he'll join the ranks of Nike athletes like Williamson and Sabrina Ionescu, who launched the Titan X Sabrina 2 in the Philippines. Unlike the US-focused EYBL and NY vs NY pairs, the Light Show takes inspiration from global destinations, blending reflective blue and pink swooshes with vibrant orange and purple accents atop a neutral base. This colorway is part of the Make 'em Watch pack, featuring a graffiti-style A on the lateral side that spells out Ja's name. First revealed during the SNKRS Showcase, the shoe retains its signature jagged synthetics from collar to sole, staying true to the Ja 3 design DNA. Nike's Asia Tour continues to be a major platform for basketball stars and exclusive releases. This Light Show edition is expected to launch exclusively in China during the event.